In this video we're going to show you how you can use the BNC to HDMI converter from our website to use a camera in standalone mode on a monitor. Here we have our BNC to HDMI converter. As you can see, it has BNC in and BNC out, and then also has an LED indicator here for what resolution camera is actually connected to it. On the other side, we can see here that we have the HDMI out, and then it also uses a 5-volt DC USB style power connector, as we can see here. So here we have a 4K HD CVI camera on the left hand side here. We're going to go ahead and plug this in here, plugging in the video. We're going to go ahead and plug in the power. We have a 25-foot BNC cable here, just for reference. Now we're going to plug in the power to our camera. And then we're going to plug in the BNC connector to the BNC in video on our BNC converter. Now we can go ahead and supply power to the BNC converter. It's going to turn on. And now the final step is to plug in the HDMI cable to our monitor. This is a 1080p monitor, and it's going to downsample the 4K video to a 1080p signal for direct use with our monitor. Now that's the great thing about this, is you don't have to get a special 4K HD TV or monitor to view this camera in standalone mode. You can just simply use the BNC to HDMI converter. It's going to take that 8 megapixel sensor and video, and then downsample it into a 1080p video output for the monitor, and give you very good clarity. As you can see by the vehicles passing by in the background, we can see very well, and also see the ABM on the building across the street there. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.